In this video we will learn how to create and store views and cross-sections. We can easily create a view by defining 2 points. In fact, we need to define first the point where the observer stands, then the viewing point, and finally give a name for the view. We can make any change on the plan view, and the views are automatically updated and vice versa. We can also create cross-sections by defining the intersection line in the point towards the viewing area. We can run the command view file to save a view in a separate drawing. The same we can do with cross-section drawings. We can run the command views elevations to put automatically the elevations of the different elements in views and sections. First we define the point of the 0 altitude, and after that the elevation of each point we select is being automatically updated. We can open different drawings and arrange them in the same screen horizontally or vertically. We can create easily layouts including different drawings produced automatically from the model space. Before getting a printout, we need to define properly the paper size and the plot scale, and besides we can insert a drawing template through the library. We can run the command viewports to specify the shape and the size of viewport and select the preferred view through the window that appears. We can make any change on the model, and the layout is automatically updated.